my name is April Kempler and I am with Kempler Design. And today we are going to have an unboxing of the Applause Honeycomb Shades. This is a new book and very exciting when the FedEx truck pulls up and we get a great new white box to open up. So a little bit about the Applause is that Hunter Douglas came out with Duet many, many years ago. And when the patents ran out, a lot of people ran to imitate it because, hey, it's a great product, so that everybody wanted to make it. So what Hunter Douglas did was they took the Duet to a whole different level, a luxurious line. It has the Architella, which is the little honeycomb and little honeycomb within the honeycomb, and other beautiful design options. While they kept both sides covered, so to speak, they came out with Applause, which is the value line for honeycomb shades. So right now we are going to open this baby up. So here we go. I'm a little short, so I have to do it this way. We'll get this open real quick. Discard of this box, see what's inside, which is going to be beautiful. I know it. So we're going to toss those things away. And it's always beautifully wrapped and it's always protected. So here we have the book. There's the little button clasp, and then here's the front of it, which is remarkable. Put that down, and then we're going to open it up, see what's inside. Guaranteed there's going to be some beautiful new colors. Here, we're going to take this off. So I am not the technical person of this operation. I know what looks good, what feels good. Paul is our window covering expert, and he knows all the different technicalities of this product. So first off, we're just going to go through the book. It's adorable pictures here, a family of the Applause, and show you some photos that you might be familiar with because Hunter Douglas, I don't know where they find the homes for these things because they're outstandingly beautiful and the views out the windows are perfect. So I think that says a lot about this product. I think you'll enjoy it. The one thing I forgot to mention about the Duet is that it offers great insulation properties, as does the Applause. But like I said before, it's the value line. And so it has a lot of different fabric looks. As you can see here, there's the room darkening. This one is crystalline sheer. And this is a power view. So power view is very, very important. It's fun. It looks great. It's seamless and it's clean. As you can see, we can do shapes. That's a very popular point right there because a lot of homes these days have these special shapes in them. Here's room darkening, and moving on, you can also combine your Applause shades with Design Studio drapery or side panels, which add extra energy efficiency, plus a layered look. Much like, well, never mind that, but the layered look is nice. It adds dimension and interest to the room. Again, we have these special shapes right here that is very popular in most homes that we're in these days. Here are the benefits. There's fabrics that are stylish and on trend colors. They're simplified, see, just the opening, and you can have different headrail finishes and large window with a small stack. Make the most of your window. And again, there's that energy efficiency page. There's insulation. These are sustainable, and we can have automation all year long. And most important is light control and privacy. Then you've got the Duolite design option. So this is Duolite with sheer here, with a room darkening fabric in a single shade, and Duolite with light filtering with a room darkening. 2 shades. One shade
Can I
on
help
one
with
head
that
row.
one?
Yes, Paul. Let's get the technical thing right here.
This is a big difference. One of the reasons that it's so common to say that the room darkening version is normal is because it used to be exclusive with this top, with the sheer. But now you have the option of doing different materials. This is a light filtering fabric over a blackout. Was not available in the past. And this is light filtering with sheer over the top. So tons more options have become available.
Exactly. So, and then
and one other thing, April, do you remember the new size that they can do for those top Duolite shades?
like 120 feet. 120 inches wide.
But if you could do 120 feet, you'd let us know.
That would be quite the window covering job.
You're right, yeah.
So 120.
Up to 120 inches if you choose the right fabric. In the Applause line, which we're looking at now, you will have more options to do big sizes because they're a little lighter than the Duet because they don't necessarily have the Architella on the inside.
So moving along quickly so we can get to the book. There's the different options. And here's interesting. You could do a 2-on-1 head rail. I think that's that's wonderful if you've got a slider door or some option, something like that could work. The different head rails. And then now we can look at the rest of this book here. So we've got the pleat sizes. We also have how you can determine the pleat size. Here's the opacities. There's the sheer, the light filtering, and the room darkening. And the room darkening has this metallicized, is that a word? Metal inside of it. And then the pleat sizes here. You can see the various ones. Here's a double honeycomb construction. The colors for the hardware. So there's lots of options for your hardware colors. You can mix and match too. But that is up to your design specialist to come up with that. What's best for you. Here's the different fabrics. We've got the crystalline, which is a sheer, vintage, amity, legends, Sunterra, and kinship. So, do you recognize any new colors in here, Paul?
We're looking at it for the very first time. Yeah, there are definitely new colors in there.
I like igloo.
Do you?
Yeah, very pretty. Nice gray. That was the other thing is that grays were very popular, those blue grays. Now we're getting more grays. So that's showing up as a trend to look for. Rolling fog.
So the new one here is the amity.
Amity.
This one here on the left. Can you hold it up so
Yes,
you can
of
see more of
course.
the textures?
Yes.
So that's what it looks like right there. Very nice. It's like the vintage, but with a little bit more texture.
All right, so this is the Sunterra line.
That one's been there for a long time, but they've updated the colors.
Okay.
I think they said about 25% are new for the things that are in here.
This is a nice white, a blue white, really. This is a softer one. So those are good. So moving on, then we've got kinship. So this is a bit of a simpler looking fabric selection, I would think. It doesn't have too much texture happening in it. Nice color. So overall, that's the book, and it's it has a lot of options and versatility for people. So for your home with different fabric choices, widths, and options, especially with that duo light. That's really remarkable to have options with that, whereas there weren't in the past. I'm April Kempler with Kempler Design, and thanks for taking the time to look at the unboxing of the Hunter Douglas Applause Honeycomb Shades.